Hello everyone, I am Dr. Edip Dev Chaudhary and I am delighted to welcome you to this tutorial on AI in proposal development. In today's fast-paced professional world, crafting compelling proposals is essential. Whether it is for meeting, workshops or seminars. However, the process can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you are trying to balance multiple responsibilities or unsure where to begin. That's where artificial intelligence can become a game changer. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot can assist in drafting high quality proposals quickly and effectively. These tools help you save time, maintain professionalism, and enhance your communication. In this tutorial, I will show you how to leverage AI for proposal development while providing practical examples and tips for refining your drafts to make them impactful and tailored to your needs. Before we dive into the content, let us outline the learning objectives of this tutorial. By the end of this session, you will understand the potential of AI tools in creating proposals for meetings, workshops, and seminars. Learn how to craft effective prompts to generate high quality drafts. Discover techniques to refine and personalize AI generated proposals. Gain practical insights through real world examples of AI in proposal development. Recognize the ethical considerations and best practices for using AI in professional communication. With these objectives in mind, let's move forward. Let us start with a simple example, a proposal for a departmental meeting. So here, to generate a draft of a proposal for a departmental meeting, suppose I will type draft a proposal for a departmental meeting to discuss the integration of AI tools into the curriculum. So this is a simple prompt. Draft a proposal for a departmental meeting to discuss the integration of AI tools into the curriculum. ChatGPT will generate a draft. Let us quickly review the content. Proposal for departmental meeting on AI integration into the curriculum. Date, insert date, you can put your date here. Time, insert time. Location, insert location. Facilitator, your name. Objective, to discuss the integration of artificial intelligence tools into our curriculum, explore potential benefits and challenges, and develop a strategic plan for implementation. Agenda, so some simple agenda is drafted. Number 1, welcome and introduction 5 minutes is given. Brief overview of the meeting objectives. Understanding AI in education 10 minutes. Presentation on current AI tools relevant to our discipline. Case studies of successful AI integration in education. Potential benefits and challenges 15 minutes. How AI can enhance teaching and learning. Addressing concerns such as ethical considerations, academic integrity, and accessibility. Discussion on implementation strategies 20 minutes, it is suggesting. Identifying courses or programs where AI tools can be introduced, required training and resources for faculty and students, action plan and next steps 10 minutes, assigning responsibilities and setting timelines for follow-up actions, establishing a working group to oversee AI integration efforts, question answer and closing remarks 10 minutes, open discussion and feedback, expected outputs, a shared understanding of AI applications in education, identification of key courses programs for AI integration, formation of a working group to guide implementation, next steps outlined with clear responsibilities and timeline, call to action. Faculty members are encouraged to bring their insights, concerns, and ideas to the discussion. Prior to the meeting, please review existing literature on AI in education to facilitate an informed discussion. So, in this way, you can draft a proposal on a given topic. Suppose I will redefine the prompt, I will refine the prompt like suppose draft a formal proposal for a departmental meeting on integration of AI tools into the curriculum, including a brief agenda, and estimated duration. So, this is a refined prompt. Let us see the output. Though in the previous draft agenda items were included, it is again rewriting the draft. So in this way, you can refine your prompt, you can give the actual input for the meeting, and accordingly a draft will be generated for your purpose. So in this way, you can try with a simple example. Let us consider another example. Suppose you want to organize a workshop from your department. Now you want to prepare and write a proposal to the principal of a college. So here you can use the help of ChatGPT or Google Gemini or any other AI tools to prepare a draft of your proposal. Let us see a situation, and this is a prompt I have written for my purpose. So let me read out. Generate a formal proposal addressed to the principal of XXX college. Here you can put your college name or your university name or your school name for organizing a 2-day workshop on generative AI in education. This is just an example. You can give your workshop title here. Conducted by the Department of Computer Science. Here you can put your department name. The workshop is planned to be held in face-to-face mode. If you want to conduct face-to-face, you can include here face-to-face. If you want to conduct online, you can put online here. From start date to end date, you can give the actual starting date and actual ending date of the workshop with a seat capacity of 50 participants, primarily faculty members from various disciplines across universities and colleges. So here you can give your input. This is just a simple example. The workshop will consist of 4 sessions per day, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can give your input here, including tea and lunch breaks. This normally happens. The total budget is approximately rupees 50,000. with a participant registration fee of rupees 800. Resource persons will receive a remuneration of rupees 2000 per session. This is just an example. The proposal should include: number 1, introduction, purpose and significance of the workshop, objectives, key learning goals for participants, expected outcomes, benefits of attendees in academia, workshop structure, session breakdown, schedule, and relevant topics, that is introduction to generative AI, applications in education, ethical considerations, hands-on training with AI tools, case studies, etc. Budget breakdown, estimated cost distribution, remuneration, logistics, food, materials, etc. Registration process, fee collection and participant selection. Conclusion, a formal request for approval and support. The tone should be professional, clear, and persuasive, emphasizing the importance of integrating generative AI into education. Format the document appropriately with headings and bullet points where necessary. So this is a well-structured prompt I have designed to generate a formal proposal using ChatGPT or Gemini or any other AI tool. Here, I will simply copy the prompt and I will paste here. Let us see the output. So here you can see that ChatGPT is generating a proposal for my workshop according to the input I have given in the prompt. Remember that this is a draft proposal only. You can modify according to your needs. So let us see the proposal. Your name, your designation, Department of Computer Science, XXX college. So you can put the actual college name. You can replace the department name also. Date, here you have to put the actual date of the proposal. To the principal, XXX college. Proposal, subject, proposal for a 2-day workshop on generative AI in education. Here 2 days is mentioned because I have already mentioned in the prompt that it will be a 2-day workshop. Respected sir, madam, we, the Department of Computer Science, propose to organize a 2-day workshop on generative AI in education in face-to-face mode from start date to end date. You can replace the actual date here. This workshop aims to equip faculty members from various disciplines with knowledge and hands-on experience in generative AI, emphasizing its applications in education. The workshop will accommodate 50 participants and consist of 4 sessions per day, running from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. with scheduled tea and lunch breaks. Introduction. The rapid advancement in artificial intelligence are transforming various sectors, including education. Generative AI has emerged as a powerful tool for automating content generation, enhancing personalized learning experiences, and facilitating research. This workshop intends to introduce faculty members to generative AI, its application in education, ethical implications, and practical implementation through hands-on training. Objective. The primary objectives of the workshop are to provide an understanding of generative AI and its significance in academia, explore various. So in this way, some objectives are written. Expected outcomes. Let us just read out. Upon completion of the workshop, participants will gain foundational knowledge of generative AI concepts and techniques, learn to integrate AI tools in curriculum development and teaching and methodologies, understand the ethical and responsible use of AI in academia, develop skills to conduct AI-assisted research and data analysis, be able to explore further AI-driven pedagogical advancement in their respective fields. This is the workshop structure, day 1, day 2. Because in the prompt, I mentioned that there will be 4 sessions per day. So accordingly, it is generating day 1, session 4, day 2, session 4. So these are just suggested topics. You can change this one also. Let us see. Day 1, session 1, introduction to generative AI, concepts, trends, and use cases. Session 2, AI application in education,
personalized learning and content generation. Session 3, ethical considerations and challenges in AI-based education. Session 4, hands-on training, exploring AI tools for educators. Day 2, Session 1, deep learning and large language models in education. Case study, AI implementation in real-world academic settings, AI-powered research and data-driven decision making, interactive session and feedback, future scope of AI in education. So this is a just draft only. You can change the topic here. So again, it is suggesting a budget breakdown. The estimated budget for the workshop is 50,000 because I have already mentioned in the prompt. Resource person remuneration, 8 sessions per 2,000 per session, 2,000 per session. So estimated cost is 16,000 for resource person. Logistics, venue, equipment, stationery 10,000. It is suggesting food and refreshment 15,000. Workshop materials 5,000, miscellaneous 4,000, total estimated 50,000. You can change as per your requirement. Registration process. In the prompt, I mentioned that the registration fee for the participants will be 800 per person. You can change here in the prompt. You can refine your prompt, then accordingly it will regenerate the proposal. The registration fee for the participant is 800 per session. Interested faculty members from various universities and colleges will be invited to register through an online form. Selection will be based on relevance to their teaching domain and prior interest in AI applications. Payment details and confirmation will be shared upon successful registration. Conclusion, in light of the increasing significance of AI in education, this workshop will be a valuable initiative to empower faculty members with AI knowledge and practical skills. We kindly request your approval and support in organizing this event at XXX college. So you can replace your college name or university name or your school name. Your endorsement will enable us to successfully execute this workshop, benefiting the academic community at large. We look forward to your positive response and guidance. Thank you, yours sincerely. So if you refine the prompt, suppose I want to change the budget. For example, suppose budget is 1 lakh. Okay, registration fee is suppose 1,000. Just I am giving the input. The ChatGPT or any other AI tool will understand the context that in the above proposal, in the prompt, the user wants to change the budget to 1 lakh and the registration fee is 1,000. Let us see. So it is rewriting the proposal. You can see now. Here you can see the budget breakdown, it will change. See, resource person remuneration is 16,000, logistic is changed 20,000, food refreshment is 30,000, workshop material 10,000, miscellaneous 24,000, total estimated cost it is 1 lakh. Here the registration fee participant is 1,000 per person. So according to the prompt you are writing, ChatGPT will understand the context and it will regenerate the proposal according to the input you will give. So in this way you can try with Gemini also. I will not show because you may generate a different draft, but the purpose will be same. You want to generate a proposal for a workshop. So now I think you have learned how to write a prompt to write a proposal. Please try with some example and you can experiment it with ChatGPT, Google Gemini or Copilot or any other generative AI tools. Let us now consider another example. Suppose you want to write a formal proposal to the principal of a college for organizing a one-day seminar on a particular topic. So I have designed a simple prompt. Let us see the structure of the prompt. Generate a formal proposal addressed to the principal of XXX college for organizing a one-day seminar on the future of sustainable technologies, innovations and challenges. So you can give your topic name here. Conducted by the Department of Environmental Science. You can change the department name here also. The seminar is planned to be held in face-to-face mode on date. Here you can put your date. With a seat capacity of 100 participants, you can change according to your needs, including faculty members, researchers, and students from various disciplines across universities and colleges. The seminar will consist of 3 keynote sessions, 2 panel discussions, and a question answer session 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can change the prompt here also, including tea and lunch breaks. The total budget is approximately rupees 75,000 with a participant's registration fee of rupees 500. Keynote speakers will receive an honorarium of rupees 5,000 each. The proposal should include introduction, objective, expected outcomes, seminar structure, budget breakdown, registration process, conclusion. The tone should be professional, clear, and persuasive, emphasizing the importance of sustainable technologies in shaping the future. Format the document appropriately with headings and bullet points where necessary. So, this is just a simple prompt. Let us copy the prompt and I will put in ChatGPT, for example. So, this is the prompt. Let us see the proposal. Here you can see that it is generating the output as per the input we provided in the prompt. Let us see the structure of the proposal generated by ChatGPT. Proposal for one-day seminar on the future of sustainable technologies, innovations and challenges. To the principal XXX college, you can put your college name or university name or your school name. From Department of Environmental Science, you can change your department here. Subject, proposal for organizing a one-day seminar. This is an introduction. Objective, it is written. Expected outcomes is also written. You can change as per your requirements. See the interesting point. ChatGPT is generating the proposal with the seminar structure. This is just a draft only. You can change. The seminar will be conducted in a face-to-face mode on date with a seating capacity of 100 participants, including faculty members, researchers, and students from various universities and colleges. The schedule is as follows. See, time and session 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. inaugural and welcome address, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. keynote session 1, renewable energy innovations. It is suggesting the topic also. 10:30 to 11 tea break, 11 to 12 keynote session 2, circular economy and sustainable manufacturing. You can change this one also. 12 to 1 panel discussion 1, climate change mitigation strategies. 1 to 2 p.m. lunch break. 2 to 3 keynote session 3, 3 to 4 panel discussion 2 with the topic name. 4 to 4:30 question answer and interactive session. 4:30 to 5 p.m. valedictory ceremony, and closing remarks. Budget breakdown. The estimated total budget for the seminar is approximately 75,000 with the following cost distribution. Honorarium for keynote speakers 3 into 5,000 rupees 15,000, because we mentioned in the prompt that the honorarium for the keynote speaker is 5,000. Logistics, venue setup, AV equipment, etc. 15,000. It is just a suggestion. Food and refreshment, tea breaks and lunch for 100 participants rupees 25,000. Seminar materials, brochure, certificate, stationery, etc. rupees 10,000. Miscellaneous promotion contingencies 10,000. Registration process, registration fee for participants is 500, because we mentioned in the prompt also. We can modify also the prompt, we can refine the prompt also. Accordingly, it will regenerate the proposal. Interested faculty members, researchers and students will be required to fill out an online registration form. Selection will be on first come first served basis, considering academic background and research interest. Payment details and confirmation will be communicated upon successful registration. Conclusion, we kindly seek your approval and support to organize this seminar, which will significantly contribute to the academic community by fostering discussions on sustainable technological innovations and challenges. We believe that this initiative will enhance research collaborations and inspire future advancements in sustainability. Your guidance and endorsement will be instrumental in making this event a success. We look forward to your approval and support yours sincerely. So you can see that a nice proposal is generated by ChatGPT and it reflects what we need, because we have already written a well structured, well defined prompt. So remember that if you give the prompt as per your requirement in a specific manner, in a specific way, the output will be generated according to your need. So let us check what will be the proposal if we give the same prompt to Google Gemini. Here you can see that almost the structure is same, but here you can see it is a tabular format. Here export to sheets, this option is given because it is a Gemini is a product of Google. So export to sheets means you can export budget breakdown into a spreadsheet, Google Sheet. Registration process, it is written conclusion. So in this way you can generate the proposal with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot or DeepSeek or any other AI tools, and you can choose that this one will fit my requirements, and I will choose this proposal and I will modify the proposal. So in this way you can try with some other examples, and you can see that if you use AI tools for your daily task, then you can save your time also. So I request you to try with some other examples.
Before we conclude, let us quickly summarize what we have covered in this tutorial. We begin by understanding the role of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot in proposal development. Next, we explored practical examples of drafting proposals for meetings, workshops, and seminars, including refining prompts for better results. We discussed how to craft effective and specific prompts to achieve high-quality drafts. Finally, we emphasized the importance of reviewing AI outputs and maintaining ethical standards in professional communication. By applying these strategies, you can simplify the proposal development process while ensuring your communication remains professional and effective. To wrap up, AI tools have changed how we create proposals, making the process faster and easier. These tools allow professionals to focus on improving their ideas while AI takes care of the first draft. However, it is important to use AI responsibly. Always be clear about AI's involvement, check the accuracy of its outputs, protect private data, and give proper credit when needed. Following these ethical practices helps us use AI effectively while maintaining trust and professionalism. Thank you for being here today. I encourage you to try using AI tools in your work, but always remember to use them responsibly. Until next time, happy drafting with AI. Thank you.